Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. This is our Nikon D800 full frame camera. Now, the thing is that I found out because this is a used camera, here there's a missing logo. So I had to buy it from AliExpress, and this is the logo. Okay, yeah, let's focus it. Okay. Okay, so we have to install it right here. Okay, and let's get it out. Just got it today, so that's this little piece is only for $6. Yes, you would wonder it's too expensive for just a little piece. Okay, so let's see. I'm pushing it firmly towards the bottom. Okay. Yes, now it's got, and there is some kind of tooth, a little bit of small tooth inside it, so it can like hold to the body. Okay, and you have to like insert it from inside. We're pushing it firmly down towards the bottom. Okay, yeah, there's some kind of tooth here is not getting in. Okay, yeah. Now it fits. Cool, great. Now that's the logo. Awesome. Great. So there's some kind of here, so must be removed up, pulled up. Okay. Just pressing it as much as I can. Okay, great. Now let's see if it falls. Okay, by shaking, no, it's okay. So, however, set it in its place. Okay, so that's our FX Nikon camera. Okay, full frame Nikon camera. I know it's without the without the what do you call without the lens. Okay, because I don't have the lens, I only use the body only for my microscope out there. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.